Welcome to BMF Speed Chop. We're over here working on Bloody Mary as usual. Getting a little bloody in before work. But yeah, I got the navel jelly. Rust is all over on here. I just put it on there about 15 minutes ago. And it's the roof. That's the rust we're working with here. I got some pieces in from Speedy Delivery. It's the rear deck area and then the upper deck area. That would be this piece and this piece. But I don't have this corner over here, but I'm gonna make that. Pretty much made that myself already. So, but yeah, this V here, I was really struggling with making this whole piece with these two compound curves, and then coming to a V. So I found this out of a rust-free Wyoming car. It was 25 bucks for both pieces, plus $10 for shipping. But now we're to the trunk pan. You know, that's my favorite. We already did the trunk pan in the 68 Caddy over there, so this should be pretty easy. They make this whole trunk pan. I think it's around $350 from OPGI, but I'm actually just gonna try to patch all these little pinholes that are in here with a piece of fiberglass because I'm not gonna replace the whole pan. I eventually will someday, but with the amount of rust that this car has, I was gonna get a whole new paint job, but I'm kind of dragging my feet now, and I'm thinking about throwing a fake vinyl top on there. I made sure to kind of tape off where the vinyl top would be and not sand the rest of the car. So I think I'm going to do like, I was going to take it in and have this whole car professionally painted, but with the amount of rust that it has, I think I'm just going to home garage it, fix the rear windows, fix all the leaks, seal it all up. I'm going to do a Fox vinyl top, like a semi-gloss black. And then I'm going to do, you know, the chrome trim pieces around here and around the windows. I got all those. And then I'm going to do something cool with the roof myself. I was looking at, you know, spending like $5,000 to $10,000 on a new paint job, but I just can't justify it on a car, you know, that's this rusty. It's just both front fenders got rust in them, the hood, the trunk, the deck area, the roof, the floor pan, the trunk pan, everything. So kind of made a decision that I think I'm just gonna fix it myself, and I'm not gonna spend that much money. I'm gonna save the money, and I'm on the hunt for another 73 Monte Carlo. I'm looking for a 454 big block, swivel bucket, rust free, low mile car. So the hunt is on. If you got one, let me know. Otherwise, stay tuned and watch the conclusion of this build, Bloody Mary.